Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, hauls, thrifts, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Esther and welcome back again to a home of little simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. So guys, I've been MIA for quite some time here and I have really missed you guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and I hope everything is well with you guys. So today's video, I have an interesting haul. I did a utensil haul last time. I did for Kamukunji utensils haul for my friend, and so this time round I wanted also to add more utensils for my kitchen. So I went to Kamukunji and went at least to different shops, the way I still do and the way I always keep telling you guys. When you want to do a shopping haul or when you want to shop for something, first you need to have a list of what you really need and then have some target prices of what you expect, and then now go window shop. And Kamukunji is one of the best places to get so many utensils at once, and you get a variety from different places and different wholesalers, and you can always bargain guys. I always say bargain. If you're told 2,000, maybe that item can cost 2,000, but it can also cost 1,500 if you bargain and if you're smart in bargaining. So you can check down in the description box below to get the contacts. And yeah, and if you haven't joined our DIY family yet guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just pause here, subscribe guys, and share this video widely. And thank you for the support guys. Thank you for my subscribers, and if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana to my channel and let's grow. I do DIYs here, I do home decor, I do shopping hauls, so great content lined up for you. Let's get started. So I went to two shops, and this is the first shop. It had so much utensils and variety. So in this shop I bought cups, and I also bought some few items from this shop, and I really liked it. The discounts are also very good, and you can always just speak out and just ask if there are discounts for different items. I also bought a pan here which I really love, and I wanted that pan for cooking. So yeah, so guys, as you can see, they're even high quality, high-end items, and they're good prices by the way guys. So Kamukunji is one of the best places to get utensils. So as you can see, you have everything from plates, name it, pans, cups, from anything you might think of. So there is also this golden set that I really loved, and also this hexagonal jugs. So yeah, you go guys, window shop. As I always say, always have something in mind, because it's also very easy to do shopping for things that you didn't need, and then you end up wasting a lot of money instead of focusing on what you really need. So these are wine glasses. As you can see, there are different varieties of glasses. So I also needed glasses, and I got some from this shop. At least for the glasses, they were going for 600 shillings and 500 shillings for a pack of 6, which is a very good price to me. So this is how the shop looks, and I really love some of the things that I saw this time around. And there are so many shops in Kamukunji, so just be wise and as you find things, and don't be in a hurry guys, by the way, looking for items. So I also passed by Lydia's shop. So this is Lydia's shop, to just see what she had, and because I wanted some plates that I had bought some time back from her, I wanted to see if I'll still get the same pattern, which I was very lucky enough. So I got this pan that you can see here. It's a granite pan. I really love it. And then I also found the plate pattern that I needed. So at least now I have plates that look alike, and that was something good for me because I didn't want to have different kind of plates in the house, and I still wanted a bigger set for the same. So I also bought that, and I found that they have even cool stuff, and it's a good price, by the way, guys. So you can always go back in the description box below, and if you want the contacts, you can get them from there. So now it's time to unbox some of the things I bought with you guys, and just show you what I got. So I don't remember the prices for everything at the moment, but guys, you can always contact the contacts below, or even just go to those shops and ask around, and even just get the prices. So I'll be showing you what I bought, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So watch until the end to see the cool things I got. So I've been looking for a wine opener for a long time, and this was so cool. I got it in this color green. I also bought different glasses and a masher. So I was also looking at color blending. So that is also something that you can do if you love different certain colors around your house. You can also at least match around those. So I also got some a lot of the utensils, guys, that I needed. So these are a pair of gloves that I really love. So that's the first pack. So the pair of gloves, they are silicone gloves, so you can use them around to wash utensils. You can use them even to clean surfaces in the house. So I really love this, and it's a pair, and they're very durable, and yeah, with a good feeling. So I also love this. So the next items, I got the silicone plates for myself, and then I got a tray and the pan, and then also got an organizer for plates. So at least now I have something to organize my plates, which is a good thing. So these are the plates that I was talking about, and this is the pattern. So as you can see, I have a very good organizer. So at least now I'm able to have my plates, once they dry, I have that organizer, which is really good, and I have used it and I like it so much. So the next thing I needed to upgrade was my utensil rack, so I decided to buy one. So last time I assembled a utensil rack for my friend, and I really wanted also to have one for my kitchen, so I'll be assembling it with you guys. You'll be able to see what I'm doing. It's so easy because you can at least check on the pictures and see what goes where. At least that one is very easy. And then always I would say, when you're buying these racks, just kindly confirm before you even get out of the shop that you're buying the rack, whether you have everything is in the box, and just counter check the bolts and the springs if they are enough for each side, so that you don't get to the house and then you're unable to assemble the rack because you don't have some of the parts, or some of the screws are not enough. So that's a good tip, guys, that I also underestimated the first time, and this time round at least I was a bit careful to just counter check on that and make sure I have everything. So yeah, guys, let's assemble these and start my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. That haul was something for me. My kitchen right now looks packed, and I really love the outcome of the items that I bought. Actually, I also found the same plates I had bought last time, so at least now I have a full dozen of plates that look the same, and you can even think that they were bought at the same time, but it's totally different times. And I love my kitchen. I'll also be going back and looking for different items. I still need to add more pots in my house and my kitchen and a few items. So, and I hope you got a lot of information. You want daily dosage of DIYs, guys? Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook at Cosying Up with Essy, and for any business inquiries, cosyingupwithessy@gmail.com is my email address, and you can always find me or DM me anytime, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers, guys. Have a lovely week, and see you in the next one.